think that to have fun with chemistry you need expensive lab equipment or dangerous chemicals. Not so. You can have fun chemistry experiments right in the comfort of your home. You can use ordinary chemicals you can buy in a grocery store, and you can use simple tools that you can find in any home. Here, I'm going to show you 3 very fun experiments that will give you hours of enjoyment. 1. Make slime. Ingredients that you will need: 2 4-ounce bottles of glue, a teaspoon of borax, water that you will fill inside of the glue when you're done, and food coloring of your choice. Blue or green slime looks best. Take a large container. Pour the 2 bottles of glue into the container. Next, fill the glue bottles with water and pour that into the container. Put the caps back on. And then shake them up for a little bit. Now, you're going to pour them into the container. Take a teaspoon of borax, and slowly mix that in with the glue and water mixture. While you mix the ingredients, slowly pour in the food coloring. Keep mixing. Soon it will become harder and harder to mix. Fear not. When that happens, use your hand and keep mixing. A few more minutes and our slime will be complete. About 15 to 20 minutes of hard mixing, your mixture will become slime. And then you can have tons of hours playing with this slime. 15 to 20 minutes of hard mixing, Your mixture will become slime, and then you can have tons of fun playing with this slime. The next experiment is a baking soda and vinegar erupting volcano. You will need clay or dough, vinegar, baking soda, warm water, dishwashing soap, red food coloring or Kool-Aid mix, an empty plastic bottle. First, make your mountain by shaping the dough or clay around the bottle. This bottle is already filled almost halfway with warm water. But okay. Next add a squirt of dishwashing liquid. Now add in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. When you are ready to start the eruption, pour vinegar into the bottle. Add red food coloring to the vinegar to get more of a red lava experience. There you have it. Now you have something to do on the weekends when you are bored. The last of my 3 easy to do experiments is how to make an easy lava lamp. You will need water, a clear plastic bottle, vegetable oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer, or other tablets that fizz. Pour water into the plastic bottle until it is around 1/4 full. You might want to use a funnel when filling the bottle so you don't spill anything. Then pour in vegetable oil until the bottle is nearly full. Now wait until the oil and water have separated. Add around a dozen drops of food coloring to the bottle. Choose any color you like. I chose red. Watch as the food coloring falls through the oil and mixes with the water. Cut an Alka-Seltzer tablet into smaller pieces, around 5 or 6, and drop one of them into the bottle. Things should start getting a little crazy, just like a real lava lamp. when the bubbling stops, add another piece of Alka-Seltzer and enjoy the show. I hoped you liked these 3 easy-to-do experiments. Thanks for watching!